Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Folk recipes with honey from many diseases. Honey has medicinal properties, so it is often used in folk medicine. Many people do not even suspect that among the available and mega useful products is one that is enriched with many useful substances and has a lot of medicinal properties. It's about honey. All of its varieties are extremely useful for health. Even official medicine calls honey a valuable product, which should be present in the menu of Ukrainians daily. Folk recipes with honey from various diseases. Prevention and treatment of colds. You can eat honey simply, for example, with unsweetened tea or herbal decoction. Or add a little honey in a cup of hot milk and drink it before going to bed. Also, an amazing property is famous for a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon, thanks to which the pathogenic microorganisms are eliminated, local throat anesthesia occurs and the cough reflex decreases. Against atherosclerosis. As we know, atherosclerosis develops as a result of the narrowing of the vessels filled with cholesterol plaques, which are formed as a result of cholesterol-superseded nutrition. To periodically clean the vessels of bad cholesterol, you need to take such a remedy. In 2 glasses of warm boiled water dissolve 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Drink half a glass 3-4 times a day. From diseases of the bladder, including cystitis. It is necessary to dissolve in a glass of warm water, previously boiled, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and a tablespoon of honey. To drink on an empty stomach. This remedy effectively fights infections that reproduce in the bladder. For the prevention and treatment of arthritis. In a cup of boiled warm water, dissolve 2 teaspoons of honey and half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. Drink in the morning on an empty stomach and then before going to bed the same drink. Experts of traditional medicine say that even chronic arthritis can be cured. Of course, serious diseases, the causative agents of which are viruses and bacteria, are treated with honey without the medicines prescribed by the doctor, is silly. In such cases, honey should act as a good complement to the official medication remedy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.